Hey guys, Colin here from CH Gadgets, and this is the Xiaomi Mi Air 2S True Wireless Bluetooth earbuds. And we finally got them in, so we're gonna check them out. By the way, if this is your first time here and you love tech and gadgets just like I do, and you want to see all the cool new tech that I get to test and play with every week, then start now by clicking that subscribe button and tapping on that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos when they drop. Price on this one is about 62 bucks or 63 bucks depending on where you're picking it up from. But say hello to my unboxing knife, the gear ready from Mantis Knife. Let's see, go and get inside here. Okay, so that's what the presentation looks like. And that's what the earbud looks like. It's a pretty interesting design. It's the same AirPods kind of design, but it's just got a different way of doing it. It's pretty interesting. All right, so on the bottom there, you got charging connectors, and I get some microphone. You got speakers, speaker port. You got the controls, and on the top, you got a microphone. So I mean, you see one earbud, you see them all. It's the same look, same design. Let's check out the case. All right, so that is the case. It's pretty interesting, this case. And I believe these are wireless charging. Got Type-C charging port at the bottom. Let's put them in the case and see. That's what it looks like. And it's in there really good. It's not coming out. I'm actually giving it a really hard, yeah. So you gotta give it a really hard shake to get them out. But once they're in, they're not coming out. And it got magnetic close. There you go. I think right there on the side. Got a reset button, or is it a pairing button? One of the two. Type-C to Type-A charging cable, usual books. All right, let's do this. Let's pair this up with my Google Pixel 5 and see what it sounds like. Let me see how this is. Put it in. Feels weird because it got that weird design. If you notice, it got that weird design where this thing is right here. When it comes out, so whenever you put it in, it feels weird. And it makes it stick out a bit. But the good thing is you can hear yourself when you put it in. You can definitely hear yourself. All right, let's pair it up and see. All right, so I got them in. As you can see, like I said, it kind of sticks out and it fits really weird. You're never gonna get a really tight seal because of how they're designed. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Got a really nice chime whenever you take it out and put them in your ears when it's paired up, which is pretty good. So let's go into that audio test. Let's see. My favorite song, first song that I always play when I'm testing. Yeah, buddy. I like these. I really like these. These are really good. Really good. I like what Xiaomi did with these. These are some really good earbuds. You should get about 24 hours from the charging case and about 5 hours with each charge from the earbuds. It's charged via USB Type-C, but it's also Qi wireless enabled. So you can put it on your Qi-pad and charge it up. But that's pretty much it for the hardware. As far as the sound is really good. Got some really nice punchy bass. It got some nice treble response and some nice mid-range tone. I like how they put that mids up in there to give you that nice little balance, which is pretty good. These are normally tuned with a V-curve, and it is, but it's just that it got a nice little balance to give you that nice sound. And I really like the bass. Together with every little thing that they, how they tuned it, it's really good. Sounds good. You get some nice little chime What I like about it also is it's out swappable. So basically, if you're listening to music and you take one out and you put it in your case and you put it back in, you can swap the next one and you don't lose a beat. You don't skip a beat. The sound is still playing. You didn't miss anything. Whatever you're watching didn't stop. You didn't miss anything. You just keep going, which is pretty good. I like what they done here. I like what Xiaomi did. These sound good. Definitely recommend them. I like how it sounds. I like how it reproduces those vocals in the songs. Nice and clean. Really nice, clean sound out of these. Yeah, so, yeah, man, I like him. What I don't like though is I did notice that I was trying to, you know, there's no volume control on the earbuds. So you have to use your device to control volume. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I was trying and I didn't get any of that. But you can play pause, you can skip track with double tap, triple tap, which is standard these days. I don't know why you can't. Why do you have this? Why do you have this really tall stem and you can't use it to turn up the volume? Why? I don't understand. But apart from that, it sounds good. I like what Xiaomi did. They did a good job. I highly recommend this one. It's cheap wireless charging. What more can you ask for? But good quality sound. Oh yeah, one more thing. I kind of noticed that right here with the charging case, it's kind of a little bit wobbly. It's not as firm as some of the other ones. So I don't know the life of that. How long will it last? Other than that, everything else is pretty good. Pretty nice. That's it for the Xiaomi Mi Air 2S. They sound good. I like them. I recommend them. If you want them for yourself, check the link down in the description. And I'll definitely talk to you in my next video.